Hi, I want to show you how to make keyboard bigger on your Google Pixel 9a. For that, start by opening up your settings and find display section in the list. Now tap on the display size and text. And first thing you can do is you can make font size bigger by tapping the plus, and this will make your keyboard seem bigger as well. But this will also make items on the screen bigger. Additionally, you can make display size bigger by tapping the plus, and this will also increase the size of your keyboard. But if you don't want to adjust display and font sizes, then you can trigger your keyboard, for example, by tapping on the search web section. And here tap on the four dots icon in the left corner. Then tap resize. And from here drag this line down to make it smaller or up to make it bigger. Then don't forget to click down to save changes, and this is the result. So that's it for today. If this video was helpful, consider subscribing to the channel. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.